Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to voice comment in Facebook. So first of all, just open up the Play Store application and in the search bar, search for Facebook Lite. So you just have to install this Facebook Lite on your mobile. If you have already installed it, just make sure to update it. And if it's already updated, just tap on this open. So after opening the Facebook Lite, you just have to log into your account. Now you can do voice comment in Facebook group or any post. So now if I go for any group, tap on these three bars and go for these groups. You can see these are the groups post. I want to select one group post and you can see the voice option here. So if I tap on this voice option, you can see this record option. So I can just record my comment now. If I tap on this record, and I can record my comment, and I have to tap on this allow access, and now I can simply record my voice comment and then post it in this group, and you can see uploading your audio. So after finishing, you can just tap on post and your voice comment in Facebook will be uploaded. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.